Yeah, baby, we're off. We're off camping. Myself and Pavlina, we're going to a beautiful place called Loket, one of my favourite places, right next to a river. So let's get going. Well, actually, we've been on the road now for the last 2.5 hours, so we've got about another half hour to go before we arrive there. So it should be quite interesting. So we'll see you there. So we've just arrived in the campsite and we're parked right next to the river. Yes. It's an amazing campsite. Like I said, I've been here about 3 or 4 times before, but I've never actually seen the water this high. It's really high. As you can see, it's a popular place for kayaking. People do long trips of about 20 kilometers a day. But I'm going to be getting lots of photographs and things like that, so should be fun. So we're all set up. Coffee time and a little bit of lunch. If we just have a look over there, I've come up with a fantastic idea for more privacy here with the tarp. We've attached the tarp to the top of the awning, and now we've got all this enclosed space. And the only view we've got is of the river. It works. So here's an outside look at the setup. There's my kayak down there. Coming round. Side tarp, top tarp, and then our little extended living room. Coffee's on over there. Pavlina's over there. Cool, really happy. And like I said, we're right in the trees here, right next to the beautiful river. I'm just trying out this new barbecue system that I got the other day. I found it in Kaufland. You can actually get these on Amazon. I'll try and find one and put it in the description in the link below. But what the plan is with this, I'm going to stick my Dutch oven on the barbecue. So we'll see how that goes. So we'll start preparing some dinner and see if it works. So, on tonight's menu we have pork, peppers, gnocchi. But we're also going to throw in a little bit of Czech sausagey type stuff. But we're using some flavoured oils on this one, with obviously the seasoning, the salt, the pepper and the chilli. Not quite sure how it's going to turn out, because guess who forgot the onions? No, it was me. I forgot the onions. So here's the Dutch oven getting warmed up on the barbecue, ready to go. Let's see how this works out. And peppers look amazing. Amazing. So here we are, prepared for the romantic evening of dining with fine wine, fine beer, and of course, fine food. Oh, take a look at that. I've just tested it and it's really spicy. Let's see how it goes. Oh my God, we are both sweating like a pervert in a playground. I think I got the wrong peppers. That was really, really spicy. Oh my God. It's taking me a while to eat it, but Pavlina seems to be enjoying it. Okay. Is it good? Really? Are you crying? It's a little bit too spicy. Oh well. We'll have to drink lots of pivo and beer and wine to make it taste better. Let's crack on. Okay, here we have the original botanical garden. Look at this. The botanical garden. How beautiful is that? And it keeps going and going and going. Oh, look, we got some orange ones. We got some orange ones, look. Oh, they're my favourites. They're private botanical garden, so you can't have them. You know? Oh my God, they even go, watch this, up the tree. Look at that. Now that's repurposing on a large scale. The Botanical Garden of Loket. Everybody flocks to see this. It's amazing. These have got to be the poshest toilets I've ever seen in the Czech Republic. Oh, hang on a minute, before we go over there, have a look at this. This is the town of Loket, and as you can see, it's surrounded by the river, and there's two waterfalls, this one here what I've just shown you, and then one a little bit further down. There you go. But back to the toilets because I'm impressed. Here we are, the poshest toilets ever, and when you come out the toilets you can wash your hands in this little basin here. Wishing well. Is there any money in it? Oh, it looks quite deep. That's nice, isn't it? So we're just here overlooking the river, and then you look up, excuse the lamppost, and see the castle and then the back end of the village. You've got to say, there were some places in the Czech Republic that were absolutely beautiful. So today we've come out for a bit of a 10 kilometre hike down the river, and the plan is to, we've just done about 5 kilometres now, and then we're going to do like a circle back which takes us up that little hill up there and round the top. But as you can see, over this wooden bridge, which is stunning, the river carries on, and the kayakers carry on down to a place called Karlovy Vary, which is another, I don't know, about another 8-9 kilometres down the river. On that side of the bridge there's some kind of posh campsite that's got no drinking beer, no eating pork. I don't know, let's get the hell out of here quick. Yeah. We need to have a look at the sign. Ooh, the bridge is moving. Yeah. Feel it? Are you okay? Yeah. It's a suspension. That's cool. The bridge was bouncing up and down. Oh my God. You're nervous? Goes on. Hey? Right, we need to find that map. I think it's another 0.3 kilometres in that direction to a rock formation or something. So we're going to have a look. That's awesome. Yeah, man.
Baby, can you carry my bag and I'll carry yours? Please.
Nope.
Why? But your bag is littler than my bag. My bag's got hodney kilograms. I mean, look. Little bag. Oh my God. Thank you.